So ito yung pinaka-affordable na bait casting reel ni Casking. So this is basically the Casking Brutus na bait caster. Kung titingnan nyo, napakaganda ng kanyang kulay. It's got the matte black finish. And just like the Casking Brutus na spinning reel, yung material ng kanyang body is also made from lightweight graphite. And the spool is also CNC machined aluminum spool na naka U-shape. So it is not a shallow spool. And ang maganda sa U-shape na spool, so mas deep siya, meaning you could store more line. So pwede mo to gamitin, for example, pag nagma-micro jigging ka. So what impresses me about this reel is aside sa pressure niya na nasa around 1,000 pesos lang, is yung kanyang drag system. This reel has 3 stacks of carbon drag washers, producing a maximum of 17.6 pounds of stopping power. So yung brake system niya is a magnetic brake system. So buksan natin tong side plate. So it's got 10 magnets. So this reel has all the features na meron ang isang bait caster reel. You've got the adjustment for your brake system. You've got the button to engage free spool. You've got the tension knob, and you've also got yung star drag. So this reel for a lightweight graphite, this only weighs 7.7 ounces. And in terms of gearing, napaka-smooth ng gearing ng reel na to. Yung main gear niya is made from brass. So this gear ratio ng reel na to is actually very fast, 7.2 to 1. So every full turn of the handle, you retrieve about 30 inches of line. Yung kanyang bearings are sealed, stainless bearings and 5+1. And yes, this reel comes in the left hand and right hand configuration. So if you want to check this reel out, maglalagay ako ng yellow basket, and you could also see this sa aking showcase.